Yes, the Legacy Builder program. New income proof. Yes, folks, new income proof. And you know what? You need to boss up, and you too will stop getting bossed around. Yes, folks, it's time to boss up, and you too will stop getting bossed around. Paulie B coming at you once again right outside the Big Apple, New York City. Big shout out to Leslie from New York City, folks, on the east side. Leslie has joined just a little while ago. Big shout out to you, Leslie. I know for sure, I can feel her vibe. I just got off the phone with her. She's going to be one of the greats. Watch what happens with Leslie, folks. And to all of you in Paulie B's Inner Circle, if you are not hitting the ground running yet, and you're seeing me making these sales, I'm no different, folks, because God has given you the power to create wealth. And we're going to be talking about that a little bit today. But folks, I am just so elated because how many videos have you seen me sign up people right outside my hometown, my wonderful city, New York City. And Leslie is right now living on the east side. And I told her, because she's working a 8-hour job, that job in Manhattan. And I said, Leslie, you need to boss up and stop getting bossed around. Well, she laughed, perhaps like you are. But folks, that's what you need to do. And if God is still nudging you, folks, I know you're watching my videos still, and you're on the fence. Life is short, and you're seeing average people, thousands upon thousands of us, making bank. And here we are, on the Wins tab, that you too will have access to. I will help you navigate, folks. Once you join Paulie B's Inner Circle, I will get on a live Zoom with you, help you navigate around here. And you want to come here every day, folks. Because when I first joined, folks, there was 6,000 members. Just a few short months ago, there's over 40,390 members, folks. What is better than that? People are still joining this community by the thousands, and there's just not a few of us. Folks, listen. There's just not a few of us making the money. There are thousands amongst the over 40,000 members up to date making money. You can be the next one. It's not hard, folks. It really isn't. You'll hear it from so many people. And there's Christy, 5,800 so far this month for a total of 17,500 since she launched. And there I am, Paulie B, another 900. Boss up and stop getting bossed around. For those of you who are with the Legacy Builders and are still working that haunting job, boss up, continue working your legacy business, and you too will stop getting bossed around. Yes, folks. And watch this. If this doesn't encourage you, look at Lisa Brizadine. 31.6, 31K in 90 days. It's possible. And also, for those of you who like Leslie, big shout out to you, Leslie. Boy, I'm on fire. New York City, boy, you made me happy today. But you know what? There is a 90-day sprint that you can jump into. Yes, I know I'm talking to somebody right now, whether you're working or not. Whatever you're doing, you can take part in Michelle O'Neill's 30K in 90 days. Is it possible? Well, folks, this much I know. Those who have did the 90-day legacy run have made much more than 30K in 90 days. So you really want to jump on this legacy run with so many people, highly interactive live Zooms. You can't lose, folks, or what we use. There's Jesse Taylor, 900 sale made. And folks, it just keeps going 24/7 internationally across the world. There's Jimmy Overbay, another $900 ding. Folks, we could just go page after page. There's Michelle. I'm able to go from 0 to 13.3K followers in 13 months on TikTok. And folks, we teach you how to get on TikTok, create a TikTok account, attract your perfect customer. And folks, it works. And that's my wife. So I'm going to have to make this a short one. That's the real boss, folks. Where's my boss? She's in the kitchen barefooted, cooking me pasta and lasagna. I love you, honey. But folks, this much is true. You can hit the ground running. You can do this. And we have in the classroom, and I'm going to help Leslie a little later on navigate, which I will to you when you join Paulie B's Inner Circle. And here is the 90-day legacy run. There it is right ahead of me here. And when you click on that tab, it takes you, folks, course day by day, teaching you everything. And who's a better sponsor than probably I'll ever be is my mentor and sponsor, Michelle O'Neill.
Welcome to day 25 of our 90-day legacy run, and we are actually, I'm going to make this smaller, we are actually on day 11 of our April Fortune Frenzy Challenge, and I am just loving all of the results that I'm seeing that you guys are having. Now today I want to talk to you about having the courage. You guys, the number one thing that will help you be successful is have courage to go all out and build the business that you have always dreamed of, the business that will answer all of your dreams, all of your prayers, everything that you've ever wanted. Just have the courage to do it. Because I can promise you, the moment you have the courage, you will not lack urgency.
Wow, folks, let me tell you, if that doesn't get you going, this woman, who I truly believe manifested this whole entire thing before it started. This woman has started a new global movement, folks. Thousands of people are making bank. Folks, if you're getting any value out of this video, please do like, subscribe, leave any comments. I answer all comments. For those inquiring minds, go to barlettamarketing.com downstairs. barlettamarketing.com. I would love to sponsor you, mentor you, be your mindset manifestation coach. What does that mean? It means this, folks. Simply this. And Bob Proctor said it. We say it. In the digital growth community, it's powerful, and you can learn this statement. It will change. Within 30 days, it will change your financial situation. And here it is. I am so happy and thankful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. And folks, every top earner that you see with the Legacy Builder program making upwards to 100K a month, we all say that statement on a daily basis. Your words are powerful. The affirmations you make, especially thanking God for what you do have, wherever you are, whatever circumstances you're in, if you're even homeless, thank God that you have life. Thank God that you can still live in this world where an ocean of abundance still exists in recession, in inflation. Renew your mind, and you too will see that the Legacy Builder program could be your answer. Folks, my phone number still out of the Big Apple, New York City is 862-658-2086. I gotta call my wife. Have a great day, make it a great evening, and as always, God bless. Bye-bye.